Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click subscribe, and if you're a regular, welcome back. So I haven't been able to post because of schoolwork, but today is a fun day at WeThinkCode. So I applied to be a technical mentor and I got the position. So today we'll be introducing ourselves to first years, and yeah, I hope you do enjoy. Okay, so this is how I look for the rap challenge that we're gonna be doing as mentors. First years have never seen me like this. I don't think no one has seen me like this. I just got to campus, it's a bit early. I had to wear my jacket because it's very cold.
Okay, so I'm going to be talking about pageantry because I'm a pageant model, which I'm very passionate about. So there's different types of models. There is pageantry, there's a runway model, there's a fashion model, there's a magazine model, there's a swimwear model. There are different types of modeling, and then I'm most passionate about pageantry, so I'm a pageant model.
I do feel like we're not really complying with social distance. However, masks on, please. However, I'm hoping if your masks are on and we've got the lovely summer fresh air, we should be alright. So,
Got this, Rory! 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 Rory!
Make it in this game. Free game to all of y'all. Stack Overflow, VS Code, pseudocode. And the tools that you need in this game. That's free game to all of y'all. Intelligence, intelligence. That's all the free game I got today.
It's perfect. You're out all night, cause I'm trying to fix the phone. Hey. Not a big ego.
Okay. Thank you, Nawanti. It was really great. You know, you made us blend in so nice and get to know what we need to do and what to expect. I think like, you know what, guys, you know, Nawanti should come back. Like, she should be our mentor again, like forever. So yeah, in a nutshell, Nawanti is the representative of the team, Nawanti team. Sits about now. Because Nawanti is the best.
I think you're the only mentor that used to make us meet every day. Because my knees are people would be like, nah, she's too much. And I was like, she's not too much, it's our morning therapy sessions. Even on the days when I remember last week, like I wasn't good, like I wasn't feeling okay. And like when I got here and we were just joking around, my mood went from 0 to 100. Yeah. And I was like, okay, I'm ready for the day.
Okay, what's your highlight?
We thank you,
What's your highlight?
My highlight
Yeah.
you know, my highlight is the donuts.
The donut.
No, not the donuts, the cupcakes.
Oh, donuts, whatever it was.
Yeah.
It was very nice.
What's your highlight?
My highlight was her rescuing me. And I actually crashed my system last week and I felt like that was the worst day of my life. Because everyone was like coding and I'm just there staring at my desktop and it's like, yes, it. And she came and helped.
Bro, highlights.
And she doesn't even get her, like, no, we call her like 15 times, she'll be like, okay, I'll be right there. I'll come back. I thank you.
No, good luck with the presentation.
Thank you.
What's your highlight, bro?
Oh, my highlight.
is when we were talking about if you get 35,000.
Yo, bro, I was about to say the same thing.
Yeah. That was my biggest highlight. Yeah. I think it was the best motivation we could get here. So,
Yeah. Okay, you go. Highlight.
Mina, I think what I like most is that like hearing from other mentees about it, like they're just always straightforward and always talking about like code and school and everything. But I'll be like looking at them and yo, remember we were discussing last night, it's dinner. Just everything. What did you cook? You know, like it was it felt like we have known each other for just more than 2 weeks every week.
Yeah.
My highlights, you told me how will I overcome my self-doubts, and yes, I'm starting my own pageant business.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Like, you know, the one who taught me how to talk to people. Yeah, but I talk what comes to my mind. So, yeah, and the game that we had, guys, that game. Yeah,
Charade.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that was cool. But anyway, thank you so much, Navantu. We'll miss you so much. And please put it on TikTok, put it on Facebook.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
Yes, guys, please subscribe and tell your friends.
Yeah.
And your friends. And your sisters. How do they do it? Like, subscribe here. Yeah.
Okay guys, so I'll end this video here. I choked and I was supposed to rap. But it was a lovely day. So this is basically a fun day at WeThinkCode. It's not always about coding, and now that people are getting vaccinated and all that, we can go back to actually having fun and just relax, man, relax. So, and on Monday I'll be switching my mentees. So I've created such a bond with my mentees. They've been amazing. Like, they made the first part of my experience so great. It's like I was losing family. Yeah, man. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Otherwise, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And until the next one, bye.